Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Super quick video today. I'm going to show you how to check your Chime credit score. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to open the Chime mobile app on your device, and then you want to access your credit builder account. Just navigate to the credit builder section of the app, and if you have the secured Chime credit builder Visa credit card, you can just view your FICO score that's powered by Experian, by the way. Do that for free, and your credit score is calculated based on several factors. This include payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, credit mix, and new credits. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your credit score on Chime. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.